Today I need your help with the Audi. All my Audi guys, I need you. Let's unwrap this thing first, then we'll get into the details. Normally I'm telling you how warm it is. Today it's just very windy. 22 degrees, which is nice, but the wind doesn't help with the audio, so please excuse. Today my problem is the side view mirror. You can see that it's delaminating. It's for when the light is bright, it self-tints. It no longer does that because it has separated. I need your help to find one that will work, that won't break the bank. So I'll speak to you from in here because it doesn't seem as bad inside. What I found is a glass replacement, which I'm going to install until I can find a self-tinting mirror that isn't, crazily priced. So I've got some isopropyl alcohol, a cloth to wipe, and the glass to put in for now. So this one just sits right on top of the glass. Let that dry. Again, it is just the glass. Need some two-sided tape. They sent it with two-sided tape. It looks as though this was made to sit right on the glass. Mine has a border around it, which won't allow the double-sided tape to touch the mirror. So I'm going to do the perimeter with my 3M double-sided tape. Again, clean the surface. I've got two different rolls, two different thicknesses. I'm going to use the thinner, I believe, around the edge. That way there's not too much glue just hanging over off of the edge of the mirror that's on the card currently. Now don't do what I did. Put a cloth underneath the glass. Glass is okay. Have to clean the edge now that I know where it sits. So thank you for watching, and once again, any heads up on where to find a self-tinting side view mirror, driver's side, which would be passenger for the Europeans, hit me up down below, let me know. Thanks for watching Initial Speed, and I'm out.